how to fix Roblox voice chat missing or not showing up. First, what you want to do is to open up the Roblox game, then click on more here on the left. Next, you will go into settings. Now you want to go into account info here, and you want to add your email address, phone number, and also verify your age here. So if you have not set your age here, or you have set it to a low number, which is not your actual age, you can reset it and set it to something higher, which is your actual age. Then you will go into privacy and content restrictions. Now you want to go into communication, party and party chat, and you want to do party voice chat, all friends, and also party chat, all friends, and party on. Okay, now once we have done this, we can go back and just open up any game which has voice chat. So I'm just gonna search here for voice chat. I'm gonna open up any game. So let's just do cellmates. All right, just like that. So I'm gonna open up this game, hopefully. All right, so it just loaded. Now what we want to do is to click on the three lines here, and you just want to, or actually want to click on this icon here to unmute yourself, and now you should be speaking. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.